I will be installing a new smoke alarm. This is where the old one used to be. Hopefully the hole line up. If not, I will be drilling new holes. Let me show you the one I'm gonna be installing. This is the smoke alarm that I will be installing. It's made by Kidde and it have a 10 years battery in it. If you're interested in getting a smoke alarm, I will leave a link in the description. I would really appreciate it if you use my link if you are gonna purchase it anyway. And let me show you some features in the back. It's right here, and here's some safety recommendation that there is features that you should do in your house. Let's open the package and start the installation. This is everything that comes in the package. Your wall mount and your alarm go on top of that, and you twist it in to lock it in. And you got some screw and some mounting bracket, and you got your user guide and this yellow warning slip basically telling you that this is not activated until it is twisted. And there's a latch right there. I guess when you speed it in, it push this little tab and it turn it on. And one little thing I like to use, even though they put the date on there, I always like to put a date on anything that I install on my house, so I know when I put it in, just as a reference. Let's go install this bracket, and I already did a measurement on this bracket, and it looked like it should fit over the existing hole. But if yours doesn't fit, just pre-drill some hole that are almost the same size as this, and then just push those in, and then you just screw your bracket in afterward. I noticed I forgot to give you the model for the smoke alarm. This is it right there. Again, I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing this smoke alarm. I already screwed one side of the mount in. Now I'm gonna screw this side in. I like using a screwdriver than a drill because I don't want this screw to be straight and it will not be able to hold in the bracket in place. Now all you gotta do is just place your smoke alarm in and twist it in place. And you're gonna hear that beep that activated. And I would recommend you that you test your smoke alarm at least once a month to make sure that it is working properly. This is what your smoke alarm looks like when everything is done. You got your speaker right there, and you got a light indicator that should flash once in a while to let you know that your smoke alarm is working properly. You got this button right there that you can use to test your smoke alarm, and this one to hush it if it go off. Let's do a quick test to see what it sounds like. And it should go off. Here we go. Now let's just hush it now. One more thing I would like to add to this video is also make sure you have a carbon monoxide alarm. This could really save your life because you will not be able to smell this fume in your house. This is the only thing that could save your life. And also make sure you have one of those devices on each floor of your house. And I would also leave a link for both of those devices. Besides that, that's all.